Good evening, everyone. Welcome to DURGASOFT online training. Welcome to DURGASOFT online training and welcome to CoreJava batch. Okay, welcome to CoreJava course. So myself, Prakash Babu, having almost 15 plus years of experience as a trainer. As a trainer, I have 15 plus years of experience is there. So happily you can able to learn this Java, okay, with the support of this experience, I think so. Coming to our course is nothing but the course details I'm going to provide now. So coming to these course details, the title of the course is nothing but CoreJava. CoreJava. Okay. Once if this CoreJava completed, we may start Advanced Java also. Okay. Sir, the duration of this course, how many days you are going to take? The duration of the course is nothing but 2 months. Within 2 months, we are going to complete our complete CoreJava syllabus. Then I can say 2 months in the sense exactly 60 classes. Okay, 60 classes will be there. Sir, what about the timings of this session? For this, you people are waiting, I think so. So actually, one batch got already started at 9 o'clock. It is going well. Okay. So last week we started in batch at 9 o'clock. For them, we have taken around 4 to 5 classes. So that batch got started. For that, additionally, we are planning one add-on batch. Means what? I'm going to take for you people, I'm going to take the demos at 10 to 11 o'clock for only 3 days or 4 days. Means today. Okay. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. These 4 days, 10 to 10:45 or 10:40 like that, I will take the demo classes. So once if the Saturday demo got completed, Sunday there is no class. From Monday onwards, if you want to continue in this course, you have to pay the fee and you have to get registered. And from Monday onwards, the timings of this class is from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, the timings of this class will be from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. This is our fixed time. So only demos will be there at 10 o'clock, sir. Okay, only these 4 days demos we are going to plan at 10 o'clock. This is nothing but what we have. Sir, how many demos we can attend? Sir, already I have given 4 demos will be there. So what is those demos class dates? So Wednesday one demo is there, Thursday one demo will be there, Friday and Saturday. And Sunday there is no class. Directly next class will be on Monday. Okay. Sir, if I want to get registered, to whom we need to contact? To whom we need to contact? Very simple. 9246. Okay, 9246 212143 212143. You can contact to this number or 8096. Okay, 969696. You can contact to this number. Okay. Or you can contact to 720 721 2427. Any one of this number you can contact and you can get registered for this course. Sir, I want to join at 10 o'clock. So, but I want to join at 9 o'clock. But so this is very difficult for me to attend the classes from 10 o'clock. So if you have any predefined things, you can able to see. Already I have taken demo classes for these people. So this entire demos are already there in our YouTube channel. Okay. I'm going to share this particular link for you people. So if you are willing, you can watch the videos, whatever I covered for 4 to 5 classes. If you are okay with this, you can make a payment and you can continue for this course. Sir, everything is okay. What is the fees for this particular batch? What is the fees for this batch? So do you know the fees for this batch is nothing but rupees 5,000. 5,000 is nothing but the fees for this. Sir, if I pay 5,000, whatever the content that you are going to give, so really is it offerable? Yes. Yes, I can say yes. Whatever amount that you are paying, so it is nothing but fully worthful. Sir, we have CoreJava videos are there in YouTube. So many faculties are taking the CoreJava demo sessions. CoreJava classes are going on. I can register for any one of the faculty. So what is the specialty that you are going to take? Because if I am explaining for loop, the same for loop will be there. Other faculty also going to explain. There is no difference because for loop in the sense anyone can take the same concept will be there. Maybe one or two examples plus or minus, but the content is the same, right? But what is the specialty of your teaching? Very simple, sir. I am going to write benefits benefits of my teaching or my course. What benefits that you are going to get? See clearly, the first benefit is nothing but I am going to explain. So theory topics, I am going to explain theory topics. Okay, so theory topics with real-time examples, Okay, maybe if you see inheritance, overloading, overriding, abstraction, these object-oriented concepts will come, right? So these concepts I am going to explain by taking some real-time example, so that the advantage is nothing but you can able to understand the concept very clearly. You can able to understand the concept very clearly. That is the biggest advantage what you are going to get. Okay, for everything I will provide a real-time example. So with the help of that, what will happen? If you people are going to remember that particular examples, when if any question is coming on that, it is very easy for you to give the answer. Okay, that advantage you can able to get from this. So second thing, sir, for every topic we are going to cover multiple choice questions also. For every topic in the sense, for every main chapter we are going to see multiple choice questions also, right? Sir, I have taken some arrays concept. In the arrays, minimum some 20 to 25 high level multiple choice questions we are going to discuss, which you make think, so to understand how internally the things are going to work. So if you concentrate well on our regular classes, so answering these multiple choice questions will become very easy, and it is documented, right? So that maybe if tomorrow if you want to revise, it will be benefitable for you. Next one, sir, here we are going to give special concentrating on coding or programs. Okay, programs, or I can able to say do you know logics, or we can able to say problems. Okay, problems, or we can able to say assignments. Any terminology you can use. Yes, we are going to concentrate on these areas. Sir, when I am explaining the concept, suppose consider I covered the concept called strings. So on the strings, what possibility of questions are there? Like programs, suppose I am going to give a statement like sentence. I need to convert every sentence. I mean, I need to convert every alternative word into uppercase. Means 0th word is uppercase, first word is lowercase, third word is uppercase. Like that, I want to do. Or the words which are having even length, I want to convert it into uppercase. The length which is having odd length, I want to convert it into lowercase. Like that, I want to do some assignments. I want to remove the duplicates present in the string, or I want to find out how many times every character is available. Anagram strings, pangram strings, palindrome strings. Like I need to do multiple applications on this. Yes, this coding rounds and these programming or assignments, whatever you can able to use. So those things also will be covered in our classes. Okay, so I'm going to give some special link. Okay, with that you can able to practice the program. Like hacker rank link I'm going to give. Already I prepared some 200, not 200, 150 programs. We are very on hand. It is available for Java. So once if the topic is completed, corresponding programs I will upload and I will give it for you. You can practice. Whenever you are getting doubt, we are going to create a WhatsApp group. In that I will add you. You can able to ask your doubts there, or you can able to solve by your own. Okay. This is nothing but the specialty what we are going to get from this course. Then as usual, interview questions will be covered. Interview questions will be covered. See, these interview questions I'm going to take at the end of our core Java course. One Saturday or one Sunday, I'm going to plan for 2 hours or 3 hours a session where, so mainly the questions will be from object oriented programming only, and some advanced concepts like exception handling, multi-threading, on these questions will be there. So those parts also we are going to discuss in detail. Okay. So interview questions will be covered at the end. Next and after that, as usual, we are going to cover some mini projects also. Okay. Some mini projects also. I can say 10 mini projects. Sir, mini project in the sense, don't feel that it is a big project. No, it will be started with small applications like how to develop love calculator. Okay, how to develop this n queens problem. Okay, how you can able to write a program for guessing the number. Okay, so some gaming tools. Okay, or some random number horoscope telling, like we are going to develop a small applications, a small programs we will develop. And finally, I'm going to take some student attendance monitoring system, or student marks management system. Okay, or we are going to take employee details. So such type of things we are going to cover in this particular course. Okay, so this is nothing but the benefit which you are going to get from my course. Okay, this is nothing but what we have. Now I need to talk about the syllabus what we are going to cover. So can you please confirm up to this, any doubts do you have, or you want to get any confirmation in this course details except syllabus? Can you please confirm any doubts up to this?
So one question here.
Yes, sir.
The point number 14, you said about the timing, right? 9 to 10 p.m.
Hmm.
So till Saturday, we will have the class from 10 p.m. to 11 p.m., right? So post that we will be connecting to the 9. We'll be joining the
9
class
p.m.
at 9 p.m.
9 p.m. 9 p.m. Yes, sir.
Okay. I think like so by the 9 p.m. no, they will be. I hope like they have already completed those classes, right? So
Yes, yes.
so any topic will be missing or like what else?
No, sir. No, sir. Every topic will be covered. Only two topics, or not two topics. One topic is going to be pending for you people. That topic we are going to cover later, or you can watch the video, because that is a theory topic. Whatever I covered for them, probably it will be Java features. It will be Java features. You can see I have covered for them. This is nothing but the topic which you are going to miss. Missing in the sense, I will cover this on later, maybe one Saturday, like that I will spend some time and we are going to cover that. We won't miss anything.
Okay, sure, sir. Thank you.
Right. Except this topic, whatever content I have covered for 9 o'clock student, that will be covered for you people in these 4 days. And these topics, whatever I missed, we are going to cover for you people in the coming sessions. Okay. Any other queries? Please confirm.
No.
Is everything is okay? Please confirm. Right. Now let us go for the actual content now. Okay. Sir, 9 p.m. class is not convenient for me. No problem. 9 p.m. if it is not convenient, then this is not the correct time actually. So only for this add-on purpose only we have given this batch. Okay. So check any other faculty is taking. Morning classes is not there. Okay. We will see if any morning batch is started, we will inform you. But as of now, this is a strict time at 9 to 10. Okay. Right. Yeah. Just give me 1 second, sir. I will be back. Yeah, right. So welcome back. So this is nothing but the details of the course what we are going to cover. Now let us talk about the syllabus. Sir, what is the syllabus that we are going to plan for these 2 months of course? Let us talk about the syllabus. Sir, already syllabus is there in our previous batch. Just I will copy paste that syllabus and I will demonstrate. These are the 22 topics which we are going to cover in our classes. Okay. So if you see, initially we are going to cover introduction to Java. Sir, what is mean by Java? Why we need to learn Java? When compared with other programming languages, definitely Java is going to have some specialty, right? Then only we can able to learn this Java. Then you will get some idea also. So, right. So when compared with other programming languages, what difference is there? Okay, that we are going to cover. And what are the Java advantages? So the technologies which are depending on Java. Okay, so like all the introduction part related thing we are going to cover here. Next, Java features. Sir, if I want to learn any Java, any programming language, not only Java, if you want to learn any programming language, so compulsory you should have some idea about its features. Features in the sense I'm not talking about the updates. Okay, so what is the specialty? Like some examples, if you want, we can say our Java is very simple programming language because so once if you know C or C++, it is very easy to learn Java. The syntaxes are derived from other programming languages, and the syntaxes are very simple and easy to understand. Okay, and so many features are there. And if you take garbage collection is there, that means you are the responsible person only for the allocation of memory. So in the system, if you want memory, just you can able to request for the memory. Once if your task got completed, if you break this link, automatically whatever data you have allocated will be destroyed. So this particular feature is there called garbage collector, that is there in our Java. So Java is platform independent. So I prepared my application in Windows platform. So can I execute this application in Mac OS? Yes, happily. Can I execute this this particular application in Unix? No problem. Can I execute this in Windows? Windows, no problem. Like platform independent. But some languages are platform dependent. Of course, the programming languages which we are existed, which is existed now, are completely platform independent only. Then, so we are going to talk about the preparation of a first Java application. It is a very, 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 very important topic. As a programmer, if you want to see, okay, as a programmer, if you want to learn any programming language, preparation of a first application is very, very difficult. Okay, because if you understand the first application development, rest of the things will become very easy. Sir, I will make you very clear understandable programs for running first few programs. So in this third unit, we are going to see how to install Java software, what are the various editors are there to prepare Java program, how to download those, how we can able to install, so how to create projects in that, how we can compile and how we can execute, what is compilation process, what is execution process. So in that, what are the softwares that are involving, what is mean by JRE, what is mean by JDK, so what is mean by JIT compiler, okay, what is mean by JVM, like in detail we are going to see. And we will prepare the applications by using Eclipse IDE. Okay, we are going to prepare the applications by using NetBeans. Okay, like we have so many VS code, like we have so many things are there. So all these things we are going to cover as a part of this, but not at very beginning. So I will explain step by step. So after doing this, we are going to prepare some 10 to 15 applications also at very beginning. Sir, this is my first application, how I can able to compile and how I can able to execute. So now I want to perform addition of two numbers, how you can able to, like the basic programming part we are going to cover in this third unit. Next, if you want to learn any programming language, there should be the predefined terminologies will be there, like keywords. So what is mean by keywords, how many keywords are there in Java, so how you can able to write those keywords. Okay, is there any standard format is there for that? So okay, next and after that, what is the meaning of those keywords and what are the functionalities of those keywords? So next and after that, identifier. If you want to define your own names, how you are going to define? Okay. Next and after that, comments. So when you are writing the program, so not only yourself, any person can able to understand the code which you have written. So if you follow the rules and regulations properly, like we have some keywords are there, I mean comments are there. So there are different types of comments are existed. The readability of the program is going to improve once if you write the comments. How to write comments in Java? Next and after that, we have different data types are there. So how many data types are supported in Java, how we can write these data types? So converting from one data type to another data type, how it is possible? So what are the different types of constants available? How to read dynamic data from the user? How you can able to print? Because if you want to develop any application, not only Java, if you take any programming language, if you are trying to develop an application, the very first thing is nothing but you have to read the data from the user. Assume I'm going to implement a program to check whether the number is palindrome or not. So to do this, what we have to do before preparing the logic, your first step is nothing but what we have to read a number from the user. After that, what we are going to do, we will check whether it is whether it is palindrome or not, something like that. So that is our business logic. But to do this, we have to read the data. Then once if your task got completed, you have to print that result, right? We have to print the result on the screen. For that, we can go for output statement. So input and output statements are very, very important, which is used to read the data and which is used to write the data. Next, we are going to see the list of operators which are available, and how to work with those operators and what are the precedence of these operators. So after this, selection statements like if conditions, how many types of if conditions are there, how we can able to work with those conditions. Iterative statements, some people may use the word called loops. And the transfer statements, how you can transfer the control from one place to another place. Suppose consider in these multiple examples we are going to cover. For example, if you see, sir, I want to write a program, so which has to eliminate the numbers which are ending with 4. I want to eliminate, I need to generate the numbers from 1 to 10,000 or 1 to 1,000. In these 1,000 numbers, the numbers which are ending with 4, I don't want. Then how to delete that? Or so the first number should be 4. Such type of elements I want to delete. How you can write? Sir, in the middle 4 should be there. I want to delete such type of elements. How you can do? Or if I add first digit and last digit, the result is 4 means I have to eliminate that. How you can do? Sir, anything is possible once if you understand the concept. So these multiple, some 10 or 15 examples we are going to cover on this break and continue. Those are called as a transfer statements. After this, we are going to see arrays in Java. Around in these 20 topics are there. What is mean by array? When compared with other language arrays, Java arrays are more powerful. So how it is powerful? So the like in detail information about that arrays we are going to discuss. And next and after that, we are going to see strings. So the most commonly used object in the Java is nothing but a string, not only in Java. If you take any high level programming language, the most commonly used data or object is always a string. Okay, so that's why even the Java strings are having some specialty. So we are going to see how these strings are implemented, because there is one nature is there called mutability and immutability. Based on that, multiple Java types are there, strings types are there. We are going to discuss about that in detail. Next, see whatever topics that we are going to cover from 1 to 13, I can say fundamentals of Java. In the first 1 month duration, we are going to see in detail about this only. Because if you are very good at fundamental, rest of the things will become very easy. So in the remaining second half of our story, you won't get maximum programs. You are going to see the theoretical points, how it is going to work in the programming. But whatever topics that we are going to cover up to these 13 topics, more you have to practice, because coding will be there more in this area. That's why, so we are going to put more concentration on these 13 chapters. And I told, right, one hacker rank assignment I am going to give. In that, you can expect maximum programs on these 13 topics. Rest of the things also will be there, but only 1 or 2 like this. This is nothing but what we have. Okay. So can you please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this topic number 13? Can you please confirm? Is it clear up to this? Yes, please confirm. Any doubts up to this?
Clear, sir.
Right. So next, we are going to discuss about object oriented programming. So around in this whoops, sir, we are going to cover 50 topics. So in detail, what is mean by class, what is mean by object, what is mean by inheritance, abstract class means what, so interface means what. Okay, so multiple inheritance, how it is going to provide support. So multiple interfaces, how it is going to provide support. Overloading means what, overriding means what. So constructor means what, destructor means what. Okay, so inheritance is what. So polymorphism, Okay, like multiple topics are there, sir. Okay, multiple topics are there. This keyword, super keyword, like all these things we are going to cover in whoops. Sir, do you know when I am explaining the whoops, maximum I will take real time examples. You are going to feel that you are going to watch a known film like that. It will be there because so most beautiful concept in the Java is nothing but whoops. If you understand the whoops, then happily you can able to migrate to any company. Happily you can able to do the coding. Sir, do you know that much theoretical concepts will be there in the whoops? Okay, next, wrapper classes. These topics may be, if you are already aware of these terminologies, then okay. The people who don't know anything about this, just I am going to skip this topic introduction. We will see later. Wrapper classes, exception handling means, suppose when you are doing the program, if anything goes wrong, your program is going to shut down immediately, right? But instead of making it as a shutdown, you have to intimate to the user saying, so and so problem is coming, so I am going to leave the application now, please try after 5 minutes or 10 minutes, like that we can put a message. So who is responsible to do all these activities? Exception handling. So if a program is running, if something is happened, then what will happen? Immediately it is going to raise an exception. And how we are going to handle those exceptions will be covered under exception handling. Next, multi-threading is there. Multi-threading means executing more than one task simultaneously. I think it is very common for the students. Okay, so they are going to listen the class simultaneously. They are going to do some extra activities. Then IO streams. Sir, I want to store the data into a file. How you can do? I want to store the data in database. How you can able to do? And we have inbuilt data structures are there in Java, like linked list, arrays, stacks, queues, priority queues, all these things. Anyway, we are going to discuss about those also in the collections. And database connectivity, just now I told. And sir, very very important, these two topics, sir, these are project oriented. You can see Java new features, I can say Java updates. Sir, tomorrow if any new Java feature came, okay, so yes, no problem, I will prepare a video and I will upload for you people. But for this batch, around Java 1 to Java 20, multiple versions are there in that. So I am trying to explain. So each and every new feature that was introduced in the Java latest version, we want to cover all the features, the features which are important for us, which is important for the programmer. So those features we are going to cover in this. And at last, so to check whether our project is working properly or not, I am going to explain with the help of one simple GUI control, which is nothing but AWT and swings. GUI means what? It is nothing but something like graphical user interface. Okay, so those things will take care by this AWT and swings. And these two topics are not required in our core Java syllabus, but maybe for your understanding purpose or for placement purpose, so it may be useful. That's why we are going to cover this AWT and swings. These are nothing but the 22 topics which we are going to discuss in our upcoming classes. Yes, now I think if you are having any queries, you can ask me. Any doubts up to this, friends? Please confirm. Yes, please confirm everyone. Clear up to this?
Yes.
Right, please confirm so that we can go for the next actual content. Yes, good. So now the next one is, sir, very very important thing. Please concentrate. With 1 or 2 minutes, I will wind up. Don't worry. Sir, here I'm going to take one important theory topic, sir. So what is that? Is nothing but Java editions. Java editions. See, this Java is available in multiple forms. As of now in the market, Java is existed in 3 editions. The first one is called as the following. The following are the different types of, the following are the different types of editions existed in Java. So the first one is nothing but Java standard edition, Java standard edition. The second one is nothing but Java enterprise edition, enterprise edition. So third one, so Java micro edition, micro edition. Like how many types of Java is existed in the market? Three types of Java. So the first one, if you take Java standard edition. So what is mean by Java standard edition? Very simple, sir. Here, the very simple Java. Here we are going to cover Java fundamentals. Java fundamentals we are going to cover here. And it is also called as CoreJava. So do you know the things which we are going to discuss now is considered as JSE. JSE stands for Java Standard Edition. If anyone is asking which Java you are learning, is it Core Java or Advanced Java? This is our terminology. But actually we have to call it as whether it is a enterprise edition or standard edition. That is the actual terminology. This standard edition is going to cover Core Java. Completely we are going to discuss about fundamentals. Okay. Then after this, so do you know, by using this standard edition, we can develop standalone applications. Standalone applications. Sir, what is mean by standalone applications? So the applications which runs on single mission is called as standalone application. For example, sir, I prepared one calculator application by using Java program. So in which system you developed this calculator application? In the same system it will work. Can I send this application across the network? No, because with the help of core Java knowledge, you prepare the application. How it is possible to send or how it is possible to distribute the application? It is not possible. If you want to distribute the application, so you have to install one server and you need to connect with the server, and from that you have to distribute the data across the clients. For that, some advanced concepts are required. If you want to learn advanced concepts without knowing the fundamentals, it is not possible, right? That's why core Java is the standard. So I want to develop one budget calculator or so monthly okay, monthly expenses tracker I want to develop. Yes, it is a standalone application. Based on your constraints, your conditions, you can prepare a Java application which is going to take your monthly your daily amount which you are going to spend and which category it belongs to, what is the income, everything you can put it in that application. After completion of the month, it is going to generate a table or a summary sheet it is going to prepare. Yes, we can develop that. So even this paint application is already there, right? It is a standalone application. So do you know these applications are called as standalone applications? That means the applications which we prepared on a single mission will comes under this standalone application. I think you people got very clear clarity about the Java editions what we are going to discuss. So there are three types of editions are there: standard edition, enterprise edition, micro edition. And about standard edition, I have given the information. Any doubt, friends, up to this, please confirm. Is it clear up to this, whatever I covered?
Yes, clear.
Right. So with this, I'm going to stop today's session. From tomorrow, we are going to see the remaining things. Today, syllabus explanation and the course details, it is taking so much of time. So from tomorrow, those things won't be there. Directly, we will start the content. And for the latecomers, I am informing, this is the course details. This batch timing is from 9 to 10 from Monday onwards. But this entire week, we are going to take the classes from 10 to 10:45 or 11, like that. It depends on our content. And there is no class on Sunday. Up to Saturday, you have to use the same link to join the class. So from 10 to 11. And the people who are willing to continue, so you can able to pay the fee and you can get registered So, but make sure that our class timings are from 9 to 10, not from 10 to 11. Again, I am going to repeat for you people. Okay. This is nothing but what we have, sir. Anyway, from tomorrow, I am going to start the actual content. Tomorrow, we will see Java Enterprise Edition, Java Micro Edition, and we are going to see few more things, right? So that's all about today's session. See you on tomorrow. Thank you, sir. Good night. If any queries are there, feel free to ask your queries. If no queries, you can leave the meeting.
Sir, how I can get these notes?
Sir, we will share these notes from Monday onwards.
Okay.
Right. So thank you guys. See you on Monday. Sorry, see you on tomorrow class at 10 o'clock. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.